Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of computer hardware. Understanding computer hardware is essential for anyone interested in technology, whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast. In this video, we'll explore the components that make up a computer and how they work together. So, let's jump right in. Transition. Introduction to computer hardware. Host. Before we delve deeper, let's understand what computer hardware is. Computer hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. These components include the central processing unit, CPU, memory, storage devices, input and output devices, and the motherboard that connects everything together. Each component has a specific role in the functioning of a computer. Transition. The central processing unit, CPU. Host. Let's start with the central processing unit, or CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. It consists of an arithmetic logic unit, a LU, that performs mathematical operations, a control unit that manages and coordinates instructions, and caches for quick data access. CPUs come in different models and speeds, determining the computer's processing power. Transition. Memory and storage devices. Host. Next, let's talk about memory and storage devices. Memory, often referred to as RAM, random access memory, temporarily stores data and instructions that the CPU needs to access quickly. The more RAM a computer has, the more data it can handle simultaneously. On the other hand, storage devices like hard disk drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs, provide long-term storage for files, documents, and applications. Transition. Input and output devices. Host. Now let's move on to input and output devices. Input devices, such as keyboards, mice, and touchscreens, allow us to interact with the computer by providing input. Output devices, like monitors, printers, and speakers, display or produce the results of computer processing. These devices enable us to see, hear, and interact with the information processed by the computer. Transition. Motherboard and expansion slots. Host. The motherboard acts as the backbone of the computer, connecting all the components together. It provides electrical and data pathways for communication. The motherboard also contains expansion slots, which allow users to add additional hardware components like graphics cards, sound cards, or network cards to enhance the computer's capabilities. Transition. Conclusion. Host. In conclusion, computer hardware forms the foundation of our technological experiences. From the CPU that processes instructions to the memory and storage devices that hold our data, each component plays a vital role. Understanding computer hardware empowers us to make informed decisions when purchasing or upgrading our systems. Closing scene. The host summarizing the key takeaways and inviting viewers to subscribe. Host. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of computer hardware. We've covered the essential components that make up a computer system and how they work together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on technology and computer science. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world of computer hardware. Closing shot of the host in front of the computer hardware backdrop.